Hello, in this video we are going to cover headers and footers inside your card, because at the moment if we just open up our website, we've got our card, we've got an image, we've got a list group, and we've got a block with some text and a button. But what you can do is add a header and add a footer which has a bit of styling, like a bit of a background color and a few extra pieces of styling that just makes it pop. So if you have different types of cards on your website, you can easily add a header. Maybe they're actually like a blog post, so that way you could even put this title inside the header, and the footer could just have some last leaving notes, or it could have some sort of copyright information. Those are just some examples, but you can obviously do what you want with them. And to add a header, just go to the top of your card and just add a div, add a class of card dash header, and then inside you simply put whatever text you want. So I'm just going to put header just to keep it simple. Save that. I'm going to add a footer while I'm here. So to add a footer, just go to the end of the card and add a div with a class of, I think you guessed it, card dash footer. So yeah, put whatever you want. Could even put an image, I guess. You can put whatever you want, but I was going to keep it simple and just have a bit of text inside it. Refresh, and there you go. We've got our header and we've got our footer. You might be thinking, it doesn't look very good on the left, especially when there's other items aligned to the right and to the center. And just like you do with anything else, you can easily add some alignment. So I'm going to put text dash center and text. For this, I'm going to put text dash right. So text dash right. Save that. Refresh. So we got that centered and we've got that on the right. Bootstrap also offers another class which is called text dash muted, which is really suited to the footer. If I just show you up and refresh, as you can see, the color is slightly grayer. So it just, I personally think it just looks a little better, because a lot of the time the footer, you're generally not going to be interacting with something like this. Like if it's just a bit of copyright information, you might not want it as bold or as upfront as a lot of the other items. So you can just put text dash muted. So that's it for headers and footers with cards. It's really simple. If you have any questions, feel free to post them on our education platform, sonarlearning.co.uk/question.php. There'll be a link in the description to that. Plus also, we've got thousands of videos for free on that platform, so check them out as well. Please rate, comment and subscribe. We'll also have another link in the description to the source code from this video. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.